For a lot of people, they think, oh, I got to build a clinic. I'm going to have to go lease a space for 5 years and put all this money down. If this is your first clinic, I wouldn't recommend that. What I would recommend instead is that you do a deal with another physician or a chiropractor or someone else in the medical space, and you consider subleasing space from their office. So my favorite go-to for this is to basically talk to chiropractors, because most chiropractors have a schedule that is not always busy all the time. Many times they have big chunks of the day where they're not there or they're not present, and you can actually see patients during that time. And most chiropractors don't usually work on nights and weekends, which often is when you're first starting your first clinic, you may have a full-time job. And so those may be the times that you have to see patients. And so many times it works out very, very well. And I've had multiple students who have worked with us basically go talk to different chiropractors and get their own room in a chiropractor's office for $200 to $500 a month. Be able to use all the common shared area for presentations, et cetera, and have a good working relationship with the chiropractor, who often has a lot of patients that are cash-based anyway. So that's what I would recommend first. I wouldn't recommend jumping into a long-term lease until you've proven that your clinic is profitable, that you have enough patients to support yourself and support the lease. You can make a deal with a chiropractor or another physician. I've seen it a lot of times for people that are in aesthetics. They do really, really well when they make a deal with an OB-GYN, because the OB-GYN already has the same patient base that they need. And many times OB-GYNs have extra room in their office, and they can lease that extra room for a day or two a week, or even during off hours, and treat that patient base that the OB-GYN already has. The patient's already familiar with where to go, and it's really great for aesthetic procedures as well.